Ciao! Italian is spoken by over 63 million people, and learning the language can help open up new places to explore in beautiful Italy or help you better connect with family and friends. But how long does it really take to learn Italian? Today, I'm going to break down 3 timelines that should help you determine how long it'll take you to actually start conversing in Italian. And I'll provide some tips along the way. For travelers or tourists with an upcoming vacation, you should focus on learning a beginner level of Italian. This takes about 60 to 100 hours to reach without any background knowledge. If you're studying for an hour a day, that's only about 2 to 3 months, but it will take less time if you already have some knowledge of the language. Or if you know Spanish, you'll find that the languages are very similar and that a lot of the rules you already learned apply to Italian as well. At this level, you should be able to introduce yourself, order food, get a cab or hotel, or ask for directions in Italian without help. A few tips for this case. I suggest focusing on listening to and speaking Italian over trying to learn grammar if your goal is to be conversational as quickly as possible. So I think apps like Pimsleur that guide you through Italian conversations and 30-minute podcast-style lessons will be very valuable. They even have speech recognition software that can help you dial in your pronunciation and accent. If you do like more context with grammar lessons, I'd lean toward Rocket Language's Italian Level 1 course. Our reviews on those programs will be linked down below if you'd like to check those out. If you're hoping to get to an intermediate level of Italian to hold more intimate conversations with family and friends, meet minimum requirements to work abroad, or to connect better with locals by talking about work, school, and hobbies, you'll likely need about 200 to 350 hours of study. That's 9 months to a year of studying for 1 hour a day. This would put you around a B1 level of fluency on the CEFR scale, called the threshold level. At this level, you can go to new places where the language is spoken with some ease and even be able to pick up on many conversations around you. A more robust language program with many learning methods built in can help you get here, but my tip here is to begin really working on engaging in Italian conversation. You've probably heard that being in a place where Italian is spoken is the fastest way to learn. But unless you plan on moving to Italy, I'd start by watching shows in Italian and speaking to a real person one-on-one, either with a tutor or through a language exchange program online. Finally, if you're trying to learn enough to be considered fluent in Italian and able to hold almost any conversation, you're looking at 500 to 750 hours of study. That's up to 2 years of study if you study for an hour a day. This will put you around a B2 to C1 level of Italian. Reaching this level is going to take a lot more than any tutor or language program can offer alone. However, consistent practice that has you listening to, speaking, reading, and writing in Italian that includes communicating with other learners and tutors until you have a real understanding of Italian will make this goal a reality. So how long it takes to learn Italian probably depends on you. Are you hoping to learn just the essentials for getting around on a vacation? You can probably learn most of what you'll need in 2 to 3 months if you study an hour a day with the use of a language learning program. I recommend one that focuses on listening to and speaking in Italian, like Michelle Thomas or Pimsleur, or even Rocket Languages. If you're trying to better connect with family, friends, or locals, you'll probably need to study for 9 months to a year for an hour a day. At this level, you can meet minimum requirements for work and get around well enough in any Italian-speaking town. You'll need a robust study plan with reading, writing, listening, speaking, and additional resources like tutors, language exchanges, and Italian TV shows or magazines, and you won't be able to avoid learning some grammar. For those of you hoping to reach a high level of fluency to hold almost any conversation, you'll be looking at up to 2 years of study for an hour a day. You'll need a very robust curriculum that touches on every aspect of the language, and you'll do best at this pace with personalized instruction and by regularly speaking to others in Italian. Regardless of your goal, it's important to remember to be consistent and stick to a plan, and whatever you do, keep speaking. Even if it's uncomfortable at first, it's better to try your best to listen to and participate in conversations, refreshing what you learn often with new digestible chunks of the language as you go. Before I sign off, I want to let the viewers of this video know that we are giving away a free language learning subscription every month as part of our mission to help 1 million people learn a second language. Entering is easy. Just check out the description for more information. For now, good luck and ciao.